We have just finished building Olivia's custom layout. This build was done on a Dodge ProMaster model 2023 159 extended body high roof. Inside the van you have a full wet bath with a captain chair. On the outside, on the roof, you have a roof rack with a full deck board composite, 300 watt of solar panels, 2 max air fans and a Wi-Fi booster. The outside of the van is beautiful with, on the driver's side, running boards, a full ladder to access the deck, surf hooks, the shore power connection. Then on the passenger side we have the standard city water connection, outdoor outlet, running boards also on the passenger side, and a manual awning. In the entrance we have a magnetic box screen with an outdoor pull-out table. Inside we have 2 swivel chairs for the driver and the passenger side with a lagoon table mount. Here we have the legal seat, captain's chair. For the kitchen area we have flip-up countertop to extend the countertop for cooking space. The sink with a swivel faucet. Under it we have a lot of space with storage for the the mobile induction stove. A lot of countertop space. An isotherm 130 drawer fridge freezer with a storage bench. Above it, a mini microwave with access to the hydronic Rickson system, the water gauge, the EcoFlow monitor for the electrical system. With the backsplash, we have both the AC and the DC outlets. On the driver's side, we have a toilet with a toilet cover inside a full-size shower with a self-cleaning sliding door. Upper cabinet, both on the driver and the passenger side above the bed, with a lot of storage under the bed and a step to make it easier to get in bed. Once you get comfy in bed, you have access to the upper cabinets that by the feet section of the bed. We never put upper cabinets by the head to make it more comfortable for you to sit. We give you access to an AC outlet with both USB and USB-C and a dedicated 12-volt outlet. Here, for example, to connect a little fan to make it more comfortable. We have 12-volt reading lights that are dimmable. You have a max air fan above your head with custom roll-down blackout window treatments on both the little window by the bed on the driver's side and the 2 windows that are in the back door. You have under cabinet light to give you light inside the van when you're in bed, because Olivia didn't want any light inside the ceiling. And you of course have the magnetic box screen on the back doors as well. In the back of the van you have on the driver's side access to the mobile Starlink system with a pass-through that we made so you're able to use internet and the antenna with the back door open. You also have access to the Wi-Fi booster. All the electrical systems are on the driver's side with the electric panel, which has all the breakers and the fuses. On the passenger side, you have all the water compartment with the outdoor shower, the water panel, and the gravity fill. In between the back doors, we have the standard string that connects the 2 back doors where you can add a shower curtain and get some privacy if you want to shower on the outside. On this build, we've also added a rear view camera connected to the rear view mirror so you can see behind you when you're driving. It also acts as a dash cam so you can see it records behind you and in front of you in case of an accident, and you can also see where you've been when you head out to your next adventure.